automation testing. So today in this video we are going to learn the difference between get method and navigate method. Okay, so mostly we all aware about this method. Okay, get method. This method is used for the launch our primary URL. Okay, or we can say to launch our main URL, parent URL. Okay, so let's start with the theory part. So driver.get method is used to open an URL and it will wait till the whole web page gets loaded. Okay, WebDriver will wait until the page has fully loaded before returning control to your test or script. Okay, and this is the second point. Get method used to launch primary URL. Okay, so I will show you one example of get method. Actually we all are aware about this get method. So this is the example of get method. Okay, by using this line we are able to launch our Google on the Chrome browser. Okay, so and now focus on the second method, which is navigate method. Okay, so this navigate method is mainly used to perform some backward forward activity. Okay, I will show you. Driver.navigate.to method navigates to an URL and it will not wait till the whole page gets loaded. It maintains the browser history. This is the main advantage of navigate method. It maintains the browser history and cookies, so we can use forward and backward button to navigate between the pages during the coding of test cases. Okay, navigate method used to launch child URL, or we can say external URL. Okay, so how to use this navigate method I will show you. Let me comment this method. So we launch Google but using navigate method. So I will use driver dot navigate dot to method is there. So I will use dot to and then I will provide the URL. So this is https // www.google.com. Control Shift F and Control Save. So let me run this code. Okay, it will launch Google. Both method is used to launch our URL, but mainly we use get method. But the disadvantage with get method is we are not able to perform some forward and backward activity. Okay, so this is the main disadvantage of get method. Navigate method provides the backward and forward activities. I will show you. Just a minute. It will launch Google. See guys. Okay, this is the Google's home page. Let me close this one. So it shows some error because we closed. Okay, so this is the use of navigate method to launch the URL. Navigate method. Okay, now if you need to perform some activity, just like I will show you an example. This is the home page, right? After clicking on this business button, okay, when you click on this business button, Google's business web page should be open. Okay, just a minute. It will launch the URL and then I will show you. Okay, just a minute. Let me refresh. Okay, after clicking on the business button, this web page should be launched. Okay, so if you need to go back again on Google homepage, so the best idea is to click on this button, this uh, backward button. Okay, this is the backward and this is the forward button. Okay, this is the forward. Okay, so how to perform this, how to click on this arrow, this backward, this forward, or how to click on this refresh button. Okay, because this is not the part of the web page. Okay, so the main disadvantage of Selenium is Selenium will not be able to handle non-HTML window. Okay, and this is the part of your browser, not a part of your web page. So if I right click on this start now button, I am able to see this option inspect. Okay, but I need to click on this backward button. So when I right click on this, after mouse hovering on this arrow, when I right click on the button, so I am able to see this value. There is no option of inspect because this is not the part of your web page. This is the part of your web browser, and Selenium will not be able to handle outside the web page part. Okay, so you need to click on this backward button and come again to this Google homepage. So to perform some backward and forward activity, we need to take help from the navigate method. Okay, just a minute, I will show you. So this is the method to launch the URL. Now after launching the URL, you need to click on some button just like this business button. So let me inspect. Okay, when I right click on this business button, I am able to see the inspect option. Okay, but when I right click on this arrow, I am not able to see inspect button. See guys. Okay, let me show this one, inspect. So this is the value, it contains some business tags. Okay, so just press Ctrl and F. Let's jump inside the document by using double forward slash, and our element is comes under the A tag, so I will use A. Open and close the square braces, and we use one method, text method. Text method is equal to, it contains some text business. So I am able to find one of one. Okay, let me copy and paste over here. So we are going to find the web element, so we use help from the web element interface. Web element is equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath, and I have already created the xpath. Let me paste and semicolon, and after finding the element we are going to click, so we use element dot click method. Ctrl Shift F. So let me run this code first of all, and I will show you. Click on the run. Okay, it will run our script. It will launch the Google by using this navigate method, and then click on the business button on the Google's home page. Okay, just wait for the execution, and then I will show you what should be the next step to perform some backward and forward activity based on the requirement. Okay, it will click on the business button. Just a minute, right? It will click. Just open your Eclipse and see. Okay, we get some error, I think element not found exception, timeout exception. Okay, no problem, I will use some static wait. Again, this is only for me because I am facing some network issue in my area. I will use 4 seconds. Let's surround it with try catch block. This is the compile time error. Okay, surround with try catch. So after launching the web page, it will wait for the 5 seconds and then find this business element and then click. So let me save and let me run. This is the most famous interview question, the difference between driver.get and driver.navigate method. So the answer is get method is used to launch our parent URL and navigate method is used to launch our secondary URL, or we can say child or external URL. The second difference is if we need to perform some backward, forward, refresh activity on the web page, so it is possible using only navigate method, because driver.get method will not be able to perform forward, backward and refresh activity. So this is the main two difference between get and navigate method. Okay, the execution is started. It will launch the Google's home page, then wait for the 5 seconds and then click on the business. Just see. Okay, as you are able to see on the screen, it clicked on the business. Now after performing some action over here, my requirement is again come back to our Google's web page. Means I will get the title of this web page, and my task is just like launch your Google, click on the business, okay, then get title of this web page and then back again to this Google home page. So the requirement is I am able to get this title by using driver.get title method. Okay, but I need to click on this backward button, but when I right click on this button, I am not able to see the inspect option. So how to perform some backward activity to come back again to the parent web tab? So it is possible using navigate method. Okay, let me print the title of business, system.out.println, and we print some business web page title is equal is driver dot get title method is there. So after getting this title, I need to click on this backward button, okay. So I need to take help from the navigate method. So the syntax for backward is driver dot navigate, okay, driver dot navigate dot backward method is there, sorry, driver dot navigate dot back method is there. So it will come again this Google's home page, and again I will print system.out.println Google web page, Google web page title, okay, and the title is driver dot get title, and then we close the browser. So we use driver dot quit method. Let me save and I will run. Okay, so what happened in this script? It will launch the Google by using navigate.to method. Okay, after launching the URL, it will wait for the 5 seconds and then click on the business button. So after launching the business button, it will take the title of the business button. business web page, and then come again to the Google's home page, because we use driver.navigate.back, means after launching the business come back to the Google home page, and then we print the Google web page title. So let me save and let me run. After able to getting the successful output, I will show you how to use forward method also and refresh method also. Same syntax, just a minor change, driver.navigate.forward and driver.navigate.refresh method is there. Okay. See guys, Selenium is an open source, very good, but it comes with some limitations. And the major main disadvantage is Selenium will not be able to handle non-HTML window. Okay. So this is the main disadvantage. Okay, it will launch Google. Then click on the business. Okay, clicked. Then take the title, this one, business management software, and then come back again to this Google. Just wait for the execution. It will come back again to the Google. I think we get some timeout exception. Let me open Eclipse. Yeah, we got some timeout exception. So let me use this method. Let me use this trick. Copy. After clicking on the business, wait for 5 seconds. Then take URL. Then perform. Then take one more. Just wait, change the wait, only 2 seconds. Then click on, then perform backward. Then again wait for 5 seconds. Get title and close. This is only for my site. Okay. I know you all are with very good network strength, so you don't need to use this thread.sleep method. Okay. At this time it will work. Just wait for the execution. Google, wait for 5 seconds and then click on the business. Okay, clicked on the business. Again it wait for the 5 seconds and then perform backward activity using navigate method. Okay. See guys, it come back again to the Google. Then it will get the title of this web page and okay. So we got actual output and this is matched with the expectation output. Let me maximize this one. So business web page title is this one, business management software, Google business solutions. Okay. And after backing on the Google, the title of Google web page is Google itself. Okay. So let me use one more method. So this time we use forward. So we use driver dot navigate dot forward method. Okay, and then again we take the title, same title but better to take. After forward method driver dot get title. After forward method driver dot get title, and click on the, but let me use this wait, copy, paste and save, and let me run. This time it will perform forward as well as backward method. So launch Google, then click on the business, come again to Google, and then go again to business home page. Okay, so it will print 2 times business home page title. It will click on the business, clicked, it will use backward method, so it will come back again to the Google, then again it will go to business, again forward. See guys, okay, the example of both method, and it will close. Yeah, good. So this is the title of business, then come again backward to Google, and then go again to the forward for the same web page. So this is the example of driver.navigate.to method, driver.navigate.forward method, and driver.navigate.refresh method is also there. I will show you. I will not execute, just show you. Driver.navigate.refresh is also there. Okay, it will refresh your web page. Okay, okay. So I will share this code with my blogger. So if you want this code, then just open my blog and copy and paste. It doesn't matter if you copy and paste, but main problem is you need to understand the situation, understand the concept. Okay, so I will show you one more example of both method, driver.navigate and driver.get method also. I will create this one after some time. Let me close. So driver.get method is there. Okay, so after launching this Google, I will launch one more method, but I will provide some sleep. Okay, not true. Okay, yeah. Trade.sleep method is there for the 5 seconds. Let me surround it with try catch block. So after launching the main parent URL, I will launch child URL, which is driver.navigate.to. I will launch Facebook, https www.facebook facebook.com. So it will launch Google and then Facebook, and let me write the code for the close browser. So use driver.quit method, Control Shift F, Control Save, and let me run. So it will launch Google by using get method, and then it will launch Facebook by using navigate.to method. Google, then it will launch Facebook, and then close the browser. See guys, Facebook is launching right now, and it will close the browser. It will execute first of all and then close the browser. I think we get timeout exception. Just let me check. Yeah, we got timeout exception, but it is completely work for you, I'm sure. Okay, I am facing some network issue, that's why I am not able to, that's why my machine is not able to close the browser. Okay, so the main aim of this video is to clear the concept with these two method, get method and navigate method. Okay, I will share this theory part as well as the coding part also on my blog, and I will share the blog's URL in the video's description box. So if you get some idea, if you get some help from if you get some help from this method, get some help with this theory part, just open my blog and take some information based on your requirement. So I hope guys you get some idea from this video. If you really like this video, then please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video guys. Thank you.